Before a single helicopter exists, every mission begins with raw metal. Every alloy batch is individually traced before production begins. Even microscopic defects are unacceptable. Military aircraft demand certified aerospace alloys. Every shipment is laboratory approved before machining. Each production order starts with carefully selected material. Nothing enters manufacturing without full traceability. Even surface contamination can weaken aerospace joints. Every sheet is cleaned before machining begins.
Every structural section begins as a flat sheet. Precision starts long before assembly.
Laser cutting creates the foundation of every airframe. Accuracy here affects the entire helicopter. Even tiny burrs can cause structural problems. Every edge is hand-finished. Flat metal slowly becomes aircraft structure. Every bend follows strict aerospace tolerances. Curved panels give the Chinook its strength. Every curve must match engineering drawings exactly.
Thousands of fasteners will secure these structures. Every hole must be perfectly positioned.
Military standards allow almost no margin for error. Only perfect parts continue forward. Titanium adds strength where aluminum cannot. Each frame starts as a simple extrusion. Complex geometry is machined with micron precision. Every frame supports enormous flight loads. Only now are the first structural bones finally ready. In the next stage, the Chinook's airframe starts taking shape.
Assembly begins with the aircraft's structural backbone. Every frame is positioned within fractions of a millimeter.
Every frame must perfectly match its neighboring station. Accuracy now prevents costly corrections later. Longerons distribute flight loads across the entire airframe. They transform separate frames into one structure.
Temporary fasteners hold every section before permanent joining. Nothing is riveted until alignment is verified.
Every hole is drilled after the structure reached perfect alignment. This guarantees an exact structural fit.
Even microscopic burrs can reduce structural life. Every connection is cleaned by hand.
Hidden joints receive corrosion protection before they're permanently closed. These coatings protect the aircraft for decades. Sealant prevents moisture from entering structural joints. Protection starts before the aircraft ever flies. Thousands of rivets permanently unite the airframe. Each one is individually installed and inspected. Every rivet requires teamwork from both sides of the structure. Consistency is more important than speed. Every fastener is inspected individually. Quality control never relies on random sampling. Even one imperfect rivet is immediately replaced. Military aircraft tolerate no shortcuts. Only after the skeleton is complete can the outer skin be fitted. Every panel has a unique location.
The Chinook finally begins to take shape. Its protective aluminum skin is installed panel by panel.
Each skin panel must fit perfectly before permanent fastening. Even slight misalignment could affect the entire structure. Thousands of rivets transform loose panels into one rigid airframe. Every connection is built for decades of service. Every exterior section is individually matched to the airframe. Precision now determines the aircraft's final geometry.
The fuselage is no longer just a frame. Its structural shell is now taking shape.
The Chinook's cargo floor must withstand enormous loads. Its strength starts with these hidden support beams.
Crossmembers distribute weight across the aircraft. Every connection is torque verified.
Lightweight honeycomb panels provide exceptional strength. Every panel is individually inspected before fitting. The cargo compartment finally gains its working floor. Every panel fits with millimeter precision. The cargo floor becomes part of the aircraft's structure. Every fastener is individually torque-checked. The cargo floor must remain perfectly level under extreme loads. Inspection confirms every measurement. Bulkheads strengthen the airframe while separating critical sections. Preparation ensures a perfect structural fit. These internal walls carry enormous structural loads. Their alignment affects the entire aircraft. Reinforcement brackets distribute stress during heavy lifting missions. Every joint increases structural durability.
Permanent fasteners lock the internal structure together. Every connection is verified before production continues.
Measurements are complete and fully aligned. Excellent. Releasing the airframe for Stage 46 installation.
Before electricity can power the aircraft, every cable path must be prepared. The routing begins long before a single wire is installed. Every electrical harness follows a precisely engineered path. These supports keep wiring protected throughout the aircraft's life. Continuous routing ensures every future system has a protected pathway. Nothing is left to chance inside a military aircraft.
Every clamp prevents vibration damage during flight. Even small components play a critical role.
Thousands of electrical connections are prepared before installation. Each harness is uniquely identified and tested.
The aircraft's electrical backbone is installed by hand. Careful routing prevents future maintenance problems. Each circuit serves a different aircraft system. Organization is essential for reliability and maintenance.
Proper support protects wiring during thousands of flight hours. Every bundle is secured according to military standards.
Every connector must match its exact location. A single incorrect connection could affect multiple systems. Before hydraulic systems arrive, the electrical network is fully verified. Every circuit must pass before production continues.
Hydraulic lines control some of the aircraft's most critical functions. Every tube is inspected before installation.
Rigid hydraulic tubing is carefully routed through the airframe. Every bend is designed to minimize vibration and stress. Correct clamping prevents fatigue during heavy flight operations. Every mounting point is torque verified. Before any hydraulic component is installed, the tubing itself is tested. Leak-free routing is essential for flight safety. With the main airframe complete, attention shifts to the forward fuselage. Every millimeter is verified before assembly continues. The forward bulkhead provides the structural foundation for the cockpit area. Its alignment is critical for every component that follows.
Each frame defines the aerodynamic shape of the Chinook's nose. Temporary fasteners hold the structure until final joining.
Hidden reinforcements strengthen the forward fuselage against operational loads. Every bracket is matched to its exact installation point.
Every exterior panel is inspected before touching the aircraft. Surface quality now determines the final finish. The Chinook's forward profile begins to emerge. Precision alignment comes before permanent fastening.
Thousands of precision fasteners transform separate panels into a single structure. Every rivet contributes to the Chinook's strength. The cockpit begins with its structural foundation, not its instruments. Every future flight control depends on the accuracy established here.
How does the laser look on Station 3?
Reading green, right on the mark.
Before electronics arrive, their foundations must be perfectly aligned. Every mounting point follows strict aerospace tolerances.
These support structures will later carry mission-critical systems. Strength and accessibility are equally important.
Airflow systems are installed before electronic equipment arrives. Hidden ductwork keeps critical systems operating within safe temperatures. Insulation protects both the crew and sensitive onboard equipment. Every section is individually fitted by hand.
Once enclosed, many of these systems become difficult to access. Every hidden detail is verified before moving forward. The cockpit windows require an absolutely precise mounting surface. Preparation is just as important as the installation itself. These seals protect the cockpit from moisture and vibration. Each section is carefully fitted by hand. Each laminated windshield must meet strict optical standards. Only flawless panels move to installation. The cockpit begins to take its recognizable shape. Every movement is slow, controlled, and carefully monitored. Uniform fastening prevents stress across the laminated glass. Every fastener is tightened to a precise specification. Before electronics arrive, their structural foundation must be perfectly aligned. Accuracy here simplifies every installation that follows. The flight deck's structural foundation is now complete. Next, the controls that pilots rely on will finally take their place. The cockpit now receives the structure that will support its flight instruments. Alignment here ensures clear visibility for both pilots. Sensitive electronics require protection from constant flight vibration. These mounts provide that critical isolation. These displays provide pilots with real-time flight and mission information. Every electrical connection is verified before power is applied.
Every switch has a dedicated purpose during flight. Correct placement is essential for safe operation.
These controls allow pilots to command the aircraft with precision. Every linkage is assembled before final adjustment. Each pedal movement is checked for smooth, unrestricted travel. Mechanical precision is verified before calibration. The flight crew's seats are engineered to absorb heavy landing forces. Every adjustment mechanism is tested before approval. The CH-47's flight deck is now ready for its powertrain. The next stage brings the aircraft to life with engines and rotor systems. Before the engines arrive, the aircraft must receive its structural mounting system. Every mounting point is inspected to military specifications. These mounts will carry thousands of horsepower throughout every mission. Their alignment must be absolutely perfect. The nacelles protect and support the aircraft's twin power plants. Only after this structure is complete can the engines be installed. Each T-55 engine undergoes one final inspection before installation. Only certified power plants move to the aircraft. The Chinook finally receives the power plants that will drive its massive rotor system. Each engine is installed with millimeter precision. The transmission converts engine power into controlled rotor movement. Precise alignment is essential for smooth operation. The rotor masts transfer engine power to the helicopter's lifting system. Their smooth rotation is verified before assembly continues. For the first time, the Chinook stands on its own landing gear. The final stages will soon bring this giant helicopter to life. The Chinook finally receives the massive rotor blades that define its legendary silhouette. Every attachment point is torque verified before testing begins. Before the first startup, every critical system is serviced and verified. Correct fluid levels ensure reliable operation from the very first test. For the first time, the Chinook's electronic systems come to life. Every onboard computer must pass before engine testing is approved.
The first controlled engine run confirms the aircraft's mechanical integrity. Every vibration reading is analyzed before flight clearance.
The first hover proves years of engineering and thousands of assembly hours. Every movement confirms the aircraft is ready for operational testing.
The final inspection confirms the helicopter meets every military requirement. Only then can it be accepted into service.
From raw aerospace metal to one of the world's most capable heavy-lift helicopters, every